Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into AM Jain College. So first of all, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, you have to type down amjaincollege.edu.in and enter it. And make sure that it is in the correct form. And you have to click on the top right corner right over here that says Campus Portal. And after that, you have to click on the student login or staff login, whichever you prefer that you want to log in. So I'm going to go with the student login. And over here, we could see we are required with our ID and password in order to log in. So simply type down your ID and your password as well. And if you are a student and this is your first login, here we could see you must use your register number as your user ID and with your date of birth format and as your password as well. So after that, click on this option that says login and then you'll be successfully logged into AM Jain College. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.